Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury on a budget, so if you are into that sort of thing, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. I have a very special video today. I have two gifts to show you. These were birthday gifts that were given to me, and this one just arrived. I've been waiting for it to arrive so that I can show you both of them. The first one though is in here. This box is from a good friend on YouTube, and I'll tell you about that in a second. I don't know what's in there, so it's a big surprise, but I do know that it is from Louis Vuitton. Ooh, so I'm very excited to open that. A good friend who is not on YouTube, just a good friend in real life, gave me something that is in here. So this is my Louis Vuitton Expert pen case that I recently unboxed, and I will link that video below. I have a few pens in here, and this one is the one that was given to me recently. This is a pen by Pelikan, and it is gorgeous. It has this blue barrel that's kind of shimmery with the stripes and the gold and the black and everything. You untwist the top, and it's a fountain pen. Has, holding it upside down, but it has a little pelican that you won't be able to see on the nib there. The clip is, it's a little hard to tell, I guess, unless you know what you're looking for, but the clip is supposed to look like a pelican's beak. And this was a very sweet, generous gift. It also has the pelican logo right there. It's just a very beautiful pen. It writes beautifully. I also got from the same person this little inkwell collection in onyx with the Pelican logo, which looks beautiful on my desk here. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because it's a very nice thing, and we all like nice things on this channel. And I've been using that and love it so much, and I'm very appreciative. And I'm also appreciative of this gift. This is from Jill of MJ Luxe. She has a channel on YouTube called MJ Luxe, and she is in New Orleans, and this came from the New Orleans store. She's been telling me for maybe a month or two that she was getting me something from Louis Vuitton, that it was a new release, and she was waiting for it to be released to her store. And it finally was, and they shipped it to me. So we're gonna open it together. I have no idea what it is, and I'm very excited. All right, I got the top open. Let's open it together. Let's see what is in here. Lots of air paper. Some special Louis Vuitton brown paper. Here we go. Hello. A lovely Louis Vuitton box. And they even sent the gift bag, or the shopping bag, which is lovely. I love it when they include all the extras. This even has the little gift tag on it. There's probably not a message in here because, oh, there is a message in here. Happy 40th birthday from the 504. That's the area code for New Orleans. Very sweet. Thank you, Jill. I've spilled something on my desk. I need to make sure not to get this box in there. It's probably champagne. All right. I'm going to scoot. Oh, I did get a little champagne on it. Oops. It's all right. It's champagne. So I'm scooting that over. I don't like to untie the ribbons because I'm weird. Whatever. Let's open this. There's a dust bag. It is a little heavy, I'll say. And inside the dust bag, what is this? Oh, look at that. Agenda 2020. So I'm guessing these are the Agenda refills. It looks like the MM size. Fantastic. I've never had the Louis Vuitton Agenda refills before, so this will be very cool. Let's open it up. I haven't even seen this year's. Whoa, look at that. They're bright yellow. But this will be fun. I haven't seen these at all yet. Wow, so colorful. Let's take them out of the slip paper and flip through this together, or the first few pages anyway. So this is a nice sturdy cardboard cover. I love these little illustrations on it. Very cool. They're all travel themed. I love the camel. And it has a little Speedy on vacation. And the corners are perforated so that you can tear them and know which day you're on. This is so cool. I've never had these, so I've like seen other people unbox them and always wanted to get them, but never wanted to spend the money on them. This is very cool. Memo personal reminders. It looks more like address pages there. And then there's a page in French, and this says Traveler's Tales. You can pause and read that yourself if you'd like to. This is so nice. Oh, and it comes in other languages. I'm not totally sure what this is. It's a calendar, but it looks like it doesn't look like holidays. Somebody's gonna have to explain this to me, if you can even see it. It looks like the names of saints, because it'll say like STE and then Sylvia. STE Burville. It's really hard to read because it's so tiny. ST like Saint Bryce. Are these saints? Are they streets? Am I missing something? I am missing something. I don't know what that is. And then some little note pages, more note pages. Oh, I love this. This looks like a fold out year at a glance. It is, I love these so much. I usually buy one this size every year from Filofax, but now I can use the Louis Vuitton one. And this is the next page. Bobster 92, is that a whale? I don't think it's a whale, but it's some kind of fish. And then we get into the calendar pages. So this, oops. No, champagne. We got champagne on the whale. I should have cleaned up the champagne. That's all right. It's not bad. The whale survived. Didn't mind getting a little water on. Or champagne. Whales can breathe in champagne, right? So it looks like it starts in late December and then it would go through the end of December 2020. Oh, this is so cool. I'm flipping through it. It has all these beautiful illustrations. I really like the agenda refills this year. This is gonna make me wanna start buying them every year. Thanks, Jill. Has a week at a glance there, which is exactly what I use. So that's perfect. And then as I was flipping through, I saw every month has a little title page that looks like this, and then it has a different illustration on each month. So there's January with Mr. Vuitton. I won't show you every month, but I'll show you a couple of them to give you an idea. Ooh, that's pretty. There's February, I'm guessing. I don't know the months in French. March. And I love that they're in color too, which is nice. They're not just little black and white prints. And then skipping all the way to the end, the last few pages are note pages. Then at the very end, it has 2 sticker pages, sticker sheets. I've never had Louis Vuitton stickers either, and these are really pretty. This is so my style. Sometimes I don't like the agenda refills from Vuitton, but this year's is really cool, because it's these little line drawing illustrations, even though they've got color in it, these black and white illustrations, and it is totally my style and perfect for me. Perfect. Jill, this is amazing. Thank you so much. It's very thoughtful and beautiful, and I love it, and I will get so much use out of it all year, every day, all year. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then this, it's so nice that it comes in a little box too, because at the end of the year you can put it all back in here and it's nice and organized. And it says 2020 on the edge of the box, so you can just stack up your years. It's sounding like I'm gonna be buying these from now on, aren't I? That's really beautiful. And I love that it came in the dust bag and the box and the whole 9 yards, because my desk agenda, if you remember seeing me unbox that didn't come in a dust bag, but the agenda refills did. Vuitton. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Jill. Does anybody else have the agenda refills this year? What do you think of them? I think they're fantastic. I love them. I do think that's crazy. It's like a highlighter yellow. It's really bright yellow. I don't mind it at all. I think it's really cool and funky, but some people would mind it, I guess. It's very cool. I mean, I even love the box. I love everything about it. And it's printed in France. Extra special. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and for sharing this with me, and I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye.